Today we'll talk about how can you disable chat message on your Roblox app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down, click on it here. So when you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on notifications here, then you come to this list here. So just switch into open video here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on mobile here, push notifications, then you come to this list. So you just keep going down, come here to chat message, click in this sign or this color. So that like you see color, it's gone. That means chat message notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.